want to start off by letting everyone know here that between last night and today, there are representatives, ministers, MPs, and provincial ministers, MPPs, representatives of municipal governments across the GTA, members of police services, members of fire and emergency services, members of our senior management team at the City of Markham, here greeting with all of you and paying respect to our brother Alan. And I want to, on behalf of all of them, express our deepest condolences to Avida, Rabia, Nina, and Arya, and of course the extended Wisdom family. Khaled was very proud of his family. That was really the foundation of everything that he did, particularly with his wife Avida. They were a team that was unstoppable. And from his family, his foundation, he was able to do so much in the community. He was also a very proud Muslim. And thanks to Khaled Usman, we have, and it was work that he was involved with directly. We have opened up 2 mosques in the city of Markham, something that he spent hours, days, months, and years working on and supporting. And from there, he also worked with the broader community, doing so much here at home, in Markham and the GTA, but also around the world. In Pakistan, but not just in Pakistan. Because as we know, when Khaled would hear of a cause somewhere, he would quickly gather us all to raise money and to help those in need. And I can say that he has raised millions of dollars in support of so many vulnerable people around the world who face disasters, everything from earthquakes to floods. And I know back in 2005, he raised, in one night, $1.2 billion for the earthquake in Pakistan, where 100,000 people lost their lives and so many were displaced. But the same was true with the earthquake in Turkey. The same was true with the earthquake and tsunami in Japan. And then raising so much money for local causes, particularly Markham Scofield Hospital, York University, but many other charitable organizations. He was someone who gave selflessly of his time. He never thought twice to say no to anyone. And I'll also say in public service, he was an outstanding representative for Ward 7, being on Markham Council for 12 years, representing the Milliken Mills community. And I can tell you that Khaled treated everyone equally, no matter what part of the world they came from, no matter what status they had in life. When someone called him for help, he took action and helped everyone that he came in touch with. And actually, I joked with him after he retired, and I said, Khaled, slow down. He retired to slow down, but he kept going. And I think many people still thought he was their ward counselor because they kept calling him and asking of him to help out. I also want to say that he was recognized time and again, here at home and around the world, receiving awards from the Lieutenant Governor, receiving an award from the Governor General, from the President of Pakistan, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Ontario granted him, conferred the highest honor on him as a Fellow of the Institute. And I was very proud to present to him last fall the Anthony Roman Award for leadership, not only in business, but in the community. And so today it's hard to imagine that he is gone. He has been certainly a brother to all of you in faith, but I want to let you know that he's been a brother and a close friend to us who had a chance, I'll say the privilege, to work with him. We will always remember this incredible man Guzman. And I know with all of you, with all the good deeds that he did in his life, I know today he is in a place of honor in heaven. God bless everyone.